Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Samsung has just made it official. Their next big Galaxy Unpacked event is set for July 9th. It'll be happening live from Brooklyn, New York, starting at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, which is 7:30 p.m. IST. And at this event, the spotlight will be on the newest generation of foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Fold7 and the Galaxy Z Flip 7. These devices are expected to launch with upgraded AI-powered features, making them even smarter and more intuitive than ever before. As always, the entire event will be live-streamed through Samsung's official website and YouTube channel, so fans across the world can tune in and catch all the action in real time. Now let's talk about the Galaxy Z Fold 7, which has already been fully revealed by Samsung. The company has showcased the phone on its official platforms, and it looks like we're in for some impressive upgrades this time around. The design has clearly been refined, and it's part of Samsung's latest campaign, where they've also started rolling out new teasers for the device. One of those teasers includes a promotional poster that hints at the updated design, giving us a good look at what's changed. They've even partnered with a popular K-pop group to help promote the phone. Each member of the group got their hands on the Z Fold 7 and tested it out, and what's interesting is how each person had a slightly different reaction, showing how the experience can vary depending on how you use it. There's also a 31-second teaser video where the phone is shown inside a large, mysterious box, adding some dramatic flair and excitement to the reveal. But that's not all. There's some fresh information that's just come out about the Z Fold 7's wireless charging capabilities. According to a new certification, a Samsung device with the model number SMD637U was recently spotted in the Wireless Power Consortium (WPC) database. This was first reported by 9to5 Google. Now, even though Samsung doesn't usually use this kind of model number format for phones, they've done something similar before. For example, SMD67D was used earlier as a placeholder for the Galaxy Z Fold 5, which was later officially named SMCOVALENTF946B1. So, based on that, it looks like this new model number, SMD637U, probably belongs to the US carrier-locked version of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, which is expected to be SMF967U. According to the certification, the phone supports Qi 2.1.0 wireless charging, making it Samsung's first foldable device that's Qi 2 ready. That means it'll support the magnetic power profile, also known as MPP. Just like Apple's MagSafe, this feature works with special cases that have built-in magnets, which should make wireless charging easier and more efficient. As if that wasn't enough, we now have more detailed leaks, and this time it's about the physical size of the device. A reliable tipster, Ice Universe, has shared what might be the actual dimensions of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. According to the leak, the phone could measure 158.4 mm in height, 143.1 mm in width, and just 3.9 mm thick when it's unfolded. To put that into perspective, the previous Galaxy Z Fold 6 was slightly smaller, measuring 153.5 mm tall, 132.6 mm wide, and 5.6 mm thick. Even the Galaxy Z Fold SE, or what's known as the W25, comes in at about 157.9 mm by 142.6 mm by 4.9 mm. So the Z Fold 7 is not only taller and wider, it's also incredibly thin. And here's the really exciting part. Ice Universe claims that the Z Fold 7 could be the thinnest foldable smartphone ever made. When unfolded, it might be only 3.9 mm thick. Even when it's folded, it's still just 8.9 mm thick, which is extremely slim for any phone, let alone a foldable one. So overall, Samsung is pulling out all the stops for this next generation of foldables. From sleeker designs and thinner bodies to smart AI features and improved wireless charging, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be a serious game-changer. Let us know in the comments, are you planning to watch the Unpacked event live? And what feature are you most excited about in the new Z Fold 7? If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.